The video guys, and today we are going to be unboxing one car from Majorette Street Cars. And guess what? It's one of the only electric cars from the company Honda and one of the only electric cars in my entire diecast collection. So this is a Honda E, and the E stands for electric, and this car is in yellow. Has a pretty good look. Yeah, so let's unbox it. Then I'm gonna ask you guys some questions. So the car has a really good made look. Right here, you can have a better look. Ooh, this car looks like one of the old guys. Yeah. Oh, and I also noticed one thing right now. This car has suspension. Right here, see? You can see. The suspension is right here. And I can tell you something about Honda. Who's the founder of Honda? Have you ever thought of that? Guess who's the founder? It's Soichiro Honda. He founded the company Honda in 1948, 24th September, and it's almost a century old. It's currently 76 years old. It'll become 76 in September. So that's amazing. Here, you can see the car has lots of good features. So, we come to an end of unboxing this car. And so, stay tuned for more unboxing videos. Bye!